Have you ever looked up at the stars, those tiny points of light scattered across the night sky, and wondered if someone, somewhere, is looking back at you from a distant world? The universe is vast and full of mysteries, stretching far beyond our imagination. It's home to billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, creating an almost infinite number of possibilities. Many of those stars have planets orbiting them, some of which may be similar to our own Earth. Could some of those distant planets harbor life, perhaps even intelligent life? Could there be civilizations far older and more advanced than our own, with technologies and knowledge that we can only dream of? The idea of extraterrestrial life has fascinated humans for centuries, sparking our curiosity and imagination. We've imagined strange creatures from distant worlds, visiting us in spaceships, bringing with them the secrets of the cosmos. We've told countless stories about encounters with beings from beyond the stars, from ancient myths to modern science fiction. Today, scientists are actively searching for signs of life beyond Earth, using advanced technology to scan the skies and analyze distant planets. The possibility of finding life is thrilling and drives much of our exploration. Imagine the moment of discovering that we are not alone in the universe, that there are other beings out there sharing the same cosmic neighborhood. What would it mean for humanity to find another intelligent civilization out there? How would it change our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe? What could we learn from them? Their history, their culture, their technology? The possibilities are endless and could revolutionize our world. Scientists use powerful telescopes and other instruments to search for signs of life, looking for planets in the habitable zone where conditions might be right for life to exist. Radio telescopes scan the skies for signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life, listening for a message from the stars. Space missions are sent to explore distant planets and moons, searching for evidence of water, organic molecules, and other signs of life. Artists create impressions of alien landscapes, imagining what other worlds might look like based on the data we collect. The excitement of potential discovery fuels our quest, driving us to push the boundaries of science and technology. As we look up at the stars with hope and wonder, we continue to ask the age-old question: are we alone? The universe is full of endless possibilities, and the search for extraterrestrial life is just one of the many ways we seek to understand our place in the cosmos. The journey of exploration and discovery is ongoing, and who knows what we might find in the vast expanse of space. The future of humanity's quest for knowledge is bright, and the answers we seek may be closer than we think. The mystery of life beyond Earth endures, captivating our minds and inspiring our dreams. And so, we continue our endless quest to understand the universe and our place within it, always wondering, always searching. If the universe is so big and old, why haven't we met any aliens yet? This question has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and even the general public for decades. This is the heart of the Fermi paradox. It's named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who famously asked, "Where is everyone?" The paradox is simple: the universe is ancient. There's been plenty of time for intelligent life to evolve elsewhere. Given the vast number of stars and planets, it seems statistically likely that we are not alone. Some of these civilizations could be millions or even billions of years older than us. Imagine the technological advancements they could have achieved in that time. They would have had ample time to develop advanced technology and even travel between stars. They might have created technologies that we can't even begin to comprehend. So why haven't they visited us? Or have they, and we just don't know it? Some scientists believe that interstellar travel is simply too difficult. The energy required to travel between stars is immense. The distances between stars are incredibly vast. Even our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take years to reach even the closest star systems. And that's assuming we could travel at such speeds, which is currently beyond our technological capabilities. Others suggest that aliens may have visited Earth in the past, before humans evolved. There are numerous ancient texts and artifacts that some believe point to extraterrestrial contact. The Fermi paradox highlights the mystery surrounding extraterrestrial life. Are we truly alone, or is there something preventing us from making contact? It's a puzzle that continues to fascinate and challenge scientists today. Some propose that advanced civilizations might be using communication methods we haven't discovered yet. Projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, are dedicated to finding signals from alien civilizations. Despite decades of searching, we have yet to find definitive proof. The Drake equation is another tool scientists use to estimate the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. It considers factors like the rate of star formation and the fraction of those stars with planets. With the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, some in the habitable zone of their stars, the possibility of finding life seems more plausible than ever. Yet, the silence remains. Some theorize that advanced civilizations might be avoiding us, perhaps observing us from a distance, or maybe they have self-destructed before reaching us. The Great Filter theory suggests that there is a stage in the evolution of life that is extremely difficult to surpass. This could explain why we haven't encountered advanced civilizations. As humanity prepares to explore and possibly colonize other planets, the question of whether we are alone becomes even more pressing. Will we find evidence of life on Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn? The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about answering a scientific question, it's about understanding our place in the universe. Are we a unique occurrence, or part of a vast, interconnected cosmic community? The implications of finding extraterrestrial life are profound. It would change our understanding of biology, technology, and even philosophy. Until we find definitive evidence, the Fermi paradox will continue to be a topic of intense debate and research. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, where is everyone? The universe is vast and full of mysteries. As we continue to explore, we may one day find the answers we seek. Until then, the search goes on. In the 1960s, astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation to estimate the number of detectable alien civilizations in our galaxy. It's called the Drake equation. This equation considers factors like the rate of star formation, the number of stars with planets, and the fraction of planets that could support life. The Drake equation doesn't give us a precise answer, it's more like a thought experiment. It helps us understand the factors that influence the likelihood of finding other intelligent life. By plugging in different values, we can get a range of possibilities. Some scientists believe the equation suggests that there could be many alien civilizations out there. Others argue that the numbers are too uncertain. The truth is, we still don't know enough about the universe to say for sure. Section 4. Beyond our reach. Advanced technology and distance. One reason we might not have detected alien civilizations is that their technology is far beyond our comprehension. Imagine a civilization that has evolved for millions of years longer than ours. Their advancements could be so profound that they operate on principles we haven't even begun to understand. Imagine a civilization that has been around for millions of years longer than ours. Their knowledge and technological prowess would be light years ahead of us, quite literally. They might have developed technologies that manipulate dimensions, harness dark matter, or even alter the fabric of space-time itself. Their technology could be so advanced that it's completely invisible to us. They might have perfected cloaking devices that render their ships and structures undetectable by our current instruments. Or perhaps they use forms of energy that we haven't discovered yet, making their presence undetectable. Imagine trying to explain the internet to someone living in the Stone Age. They wouldn't have the framework to understand the concept of digital communication, let alone the infrastructure that supports it. Similarly, we might lack the cognitive and technological framework to comprehend alien technologies. They wouldn't have the framework to understand. Just as a Stone Age person would struggle to grasp the idea of satellites and wireless communication, we might be equally baffled by the technologies of an advanced alien race. Their methods of communication, energy production, and transportation could be so foreign to us that we don't even recognize them as technology. Similarly, alien civilizations might be using forms of energy, communication, or even transportation that we haven't even dreamt of. They could be harnessing the power of stars, using quantum entanglement for instant communication, or traveling through wormholes to traverse vast distances in the blink of an eye. Distance is another major factor. The sheer vastness of space makes it incredibly challenging to detect and communicate with distant civilizations. Even within our own galaxy, the distances are staggering. The Milky Way galaxy alone is about 100,000 light-years across. This means that even if a civilization on the other side of the galaxy sent a signal, it would take 100,000 years to reach us. And that's assuming the signal travels at the speed of light. Even if there are other civilizations out there, they could be incredibly far away. The vast distances between stars and galaxies mean that any form of communication would be delayed by thousands, if not millions of years. This makes real-time communication virtually impossible. This means that any signals they send might take thousands or even millions of years to reach us. By the time we receive a message, the civilization that sent it might no longer exist. Conversely, any signals we send might not reach their intended recipients for millennia, if at all. The vastness of space and the limitations of our current technology make it a daunting challenge to bridge these cosmic distances. To overcome these challenges, we would need to develop new technologies and methods of communication. This might involve creating more sensitive instruments to detect faint signals, or developing new theories of physics that allow for faster-than-light communication. Until then, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence remains a monumental task, fraught with both excitement and uncertainty. Scientists around the world are tirelessly working on these problems, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and technology. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the universe and the potential existence of other intelligent beings. The journey is long and challenging, but the potential rewards are beyond imagination. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the possibility that we are not alone. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and the search for advanced alien civilizations is one of the most profound quests of our time. With each passing day, we move closer to uncovering the secrets of the universe and our place within it. Section 5. The Great Silence: Intentional Avoidance. Some scientists propose that advanced civilizations might be deliberately hiding from us. This is known as the zoo hypothesis. Just like we observe animals in a zoo, these civilizations might be watching us from afar, without interfering. Why would they do this? Perhaps they are studying us, waiting for us to reach a certain level of technological or social development. Or maybe they simply want to avoid contact with younger, less advanced civilizations. Another possibility is that advanced civilizations have learned that contact with other species often leads to conflict. They may have chosen to remain silent to protect themselves and their way of life. This idea raises intriguing questions about the nature of intelligence and the challenges of interstellar communication.